Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook activity log all at once. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Then over here tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down below and tap on settings and privacy. From here go to settings. Now tap on the option of see more in account center under account center. Now from here, go to your information and permissions. Now over here, just go to the option of your activity of Meta Technologies that you see on this page. Now over here, tap on clear previous activity option. Now over here, you'll see other accounts that are related to Meta as well. Now just tap on the option of clear, and if you do so, you will be able to clear other previous activity from your other Meta related accounts. Now over here, tap on clear previous activity at the bottom of your screen. Now if you do so, you will be able to clear your activity log all at once on your Facebook account. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.